Everybody, it's me, Miss You, and now we're going to be doing the drawing and dimensioning of our parts. So we're going to go to the plus sign on the left side of Part Studio. We're going to select it. We're going to go create drawing. We're now going to go no views, and we're going to go OK. And we have our drawing, and we see our part on the left-hand side. So we're going to take the part, we're going to select it, and then we're going to select it again over here in the drawing. We're now going, it automatically moves locations. So, but I just wanted to show you, we're now going to select the part, go top view, select the part, go right view, select the part. We're going to go, whoops. Well, this isn't, let me delete it. Okay, I'm selecting, I have to go to the projected view, make sure it's selected. I'm selecting my part. I'm going to go to the top corner and I see it's too big. So I'm going to go left click. Okay, once I'm at a projected view, I'm going to go escape. I'm going to go right click and I'm going to go to view properties. Now I want to change the scale of the drawing from 1:1 to 1:2. Okay, so it's much smaller in scale. That's how I want to look at it. And I'm going to position it right up in the corner where it belongs. Okay, now the isometric view should be shaded, and I'm going to go show shaded view, and it will shade it for me. Beautiful. Now we're going to go around discovering center lines and hidden lines. So I'm going to left click. I'm going to go show hidden lines. I'm going to left click, show hidden lines. I'm going to left click. Oops, I left clicked, it's a little too high. I'm going to go lower, left click, show hidden lines. And those are my hidden lines. Now we're going to do the center marks of all the circles. I always like to start off. So I'm going to go center mark, just touch the outside and we'll find the center. Touch the outside and we'll find the center. And the next step is we're going to do the center lines. So I'm going to go take the 2-point center line. I'm going to touch the circle, touch the circle, touch the circle on the left side there. And it is done for that part. Now we're going to go to the center lines on the bigger circle. Okay. There we go. There we go. So here we have our center lines on the circles are done. Now we're going to do the center lines on the hidden views. So we're going to switch to the next one, edge to edge center line, and we're going to go edge to edge center line, edge to edge center line. And now we have 2 additional hidden lines. So I want you to see the center line is right in the middle over here, edge to edge, and now edge to edge. All right, so our center lines are done, our hidden lines are done, and I think we're ready to start dimensioning. So we're going to look, the dimensions are up over here. Do you see dimension? This is ordinate dimension. We're going to learn it later, and this is a whole call out. We're going to learn it later also. So we're going to start off dimensioning the front view. This is always the front view. So this is 0. It goes to, there it is, 3.5. We want it in the middle. Okay. There it is in the middle. Now we're going to do the top view. I always like to start off with the overall dimensions. And that's 2.5. We're going to pull it out. Okay, there it is, 2.5. Now we're going to go see, we're going to go from the, we're going to position the circle from the middle to the ledge. It's 1.5, and since it's closer to the circle, we're going to go right below over here. And we're going to go from the height, from the middle, this middle, to the bottom. Here we go. We have 1 inch. Great. And I think everything on the front view is done, and now we have to do the top view. The top view shows us, oh, I missed out the diameter. So this is the diameter of the circle, and this is the diameter 1.5 of the second circle. Okay, so now we're going to go from the center to the outside ledge. I have is 0.75. The center to the bottom part is 0.5. And I did a little bit too close, so I want to move it. So I'm going to delete it. I'm going to redimension it. So let me make sure I'm selected my dimensions from the point to the line. Great. 1/2 inch. I want to get it close, but not too close. And it looks, and I just have the width. So I want to remind you that this width over here is the same as that width. So I'm going to dimension it here, and then we could just delete this whole drawing. So this is 1 inch, and there it is. Okay,